Hi guys, welcome to this video. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about Neolife supplements for weight management. The question is, are there really supplements that can manage weight? In this video, I'm going to try to clarify why is Neolife Amytone a weight management supplement? Because it is good for you to understand the contents of a supplement so that you can make an informed decision whether to take the supplement or not. But before I start, statistics has actually shown that 1 billion people in the planet as of 2016 had weight problems, and about 640 billion of these people were classified as obese. That means they had what is known as obesity. Why is this so important? Because obesity is one of the most foundational factors that causes most metabolic related diseases. Diseases like cancer, type 2 diabetes, heart problems, even arthritis. So that is how important it is for you to find out how to manage your weight. You might be saying, okay, me, I'm not fat. I'm slim, so I don't need to manage my weight. Did you know that there's something that is called visceral fat? That is fat around your waist. You can be slim, but you might have visceral fat. And this is the fat that surrounds your organs. And when you have fat around your organs, it is the beginning of the cause of a lot of metabolic symptoms, metabolic problems. So in this video, I'm going to try to clarify what is inside Neolife Amytone that makes it a natural supplement for weight management. So let's see. What are the contents of Neolife Amytone? So this is Neolife Amytone. This is my shop, my Neolife shop. This is Neolife Amytone. So let's look at the first facts. What is inside this Neolife Amytone? If you look at here, you can see that you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 amino acids. You have 5 amino acids. If you don't know what amino acids are building blocks for protein. When you hear of something like protein, it is made of a long lines of different amino acids. So those are the building blocks of proteins. So you find out that the components of amytone is amino acids. You have some potassium, magnesium, zinc, and you also have these 2 herbs. This one is called chickweed, and this one is called, I can't see it very well. Let me look at it. This one is called valerian root. Now, I'm going to explain to you what is the purpose of amino acids when it comes to weight loss. So how is amino acid related to weight loss? Number 1, amino acids, as I told you, are used to form proteins. And proteins is what makes up muscle tissue. Now, for these proteins to be used to form muscle tissue, they need a lot of energy. The body needs energy to be able to form muscle tissue from proteins. Where does the body get this energy? It gets it from breaking down fat. So for muscle tissue to be formed, fat has to be broken down. So when you have a lot of amino acids, they have to be converted to proteins. And these proteins are now used to build up muscle. And the process involves a lot of energy. And this energy the body gets it from breaking down fat. Number 2, there is a growth hormone called somatotropin. You don't need to remember the name. Just know that it's a growth hormone. And this hormone is produced when we sleep. Research has shown that amino acids are needed by this, used by this somatotropin to form protein. And that this hormone somatotropin is also responsible and involved in the breaking down of fat. What does that mean? It simply means that if you take amino acids a few hours before you sleep, you're going to stimulate the production of this hormone. And when this hormone is produced, naturally it will use those amino acids to form proteins and also play a role in the formation of muscle tissue by breaking down fat. If you look at the dosing instructions of this Neolife Amitone, you are told to take the tablets 3 hours after meals and just before you sleep. Are you beginning to see all the wonderful components that are inside Neolife Amitone? That is why it is called a supplement for weight management. Let us now come to the herbs that is inside Neolife Amitone. The one of particular importance is what is called the chickweed. Chickweed has it does 3 things. Let me put it like that. It does 3 things when it comes to weight loss. What are these 3 things? Research has shown that chickweed is a natural appetite suppressor. That means it reduces hunger pangs. It does not allow you to get hungry every time. That will make you want to eat. Number 1. Number 2, it has also been shown that this particular herb, chickweed, has the ability to emulsify fat and flush it out of your system. And then number 3, it improves the activity of what we call the thyroid hormones. And thyroid hormones are particularly important when it comes to metabolism, good metabolism. Amitone, Neolife Amitone contains this chickweed and it contains amino acids. And you're supposed to take them 3 hours after meal, in which case your tummy is almost empty, and then just before you sleep. So you see why Neolife Amitone is used for weight management. If you have anybody that has obesity challenges, or if you're listening to this video and you have obesity challenges, I think you've been informed enough to know what to do. So it's left for you to take your decision. Because I always believe that prevention is better than cure. Don't wait to have any kind of disease. Do things to keep your body protected enough from any kind of disease. Prevention is better than cure. Thank you so much for watching today. I hope you've learned 1 or 2 things today. In my next video, I'm going to be talking about another Neolife product for weight management, a Neolife tea. So stay tuned for my next video. Thank you and God bless and stay healthy.